In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a DocuSign account. We'll move through the process from the very beginning, so you can follow along step by step on your own computer. By the end, you'll be fully set up and ready to start signing documents online. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type DocuSign Sign Up and press Enter. This is an easy way to find the official registration page without needing to remember the exact address. In the search results, look for the link that says something like Free DocuSign Account, Sign Documents for Free. Make sure it's the official DocuSign website, then click that result. This will take you straight to the free account sign-up form. On the sign-up page, you'll see a simple form with a few fields. In the first field, type your first name. Use the name you'd like to appear on your electronic signatures, since DocuSign will use this information on documents you sign. Next, move to the last name field and enter your last name. Again, make sure it's spelled correctly because this will appear on any documents you sign and send. Below that, you'll see a field for your email address. Type in the email you want to use for your DocuSign account. It should be an email you check regularly, because DocuSign will send you verification codes and notifications there. Take a second to confirm there are no typos, as a wrong email will prevent you from completing the setup. You'll also see a drop-down menu where you can select your country. Click the drop-down, scroll through the list, and choose the country you're located in. This helps DocuSign set the right regional options for your account. Once all the fields are filled out and everything looks correct, click the Get Started button. DocuSign will now send a 6-digit verification code to the email address you provided. Open your email inbox in a new tab or on your phone, find the message from DocuSign, and note the 6-digit code. Go back to the DocuSign page and carefully enter that code into the verification field. When you're done, click Next to continue. Finally, DocuSign will ask you to enter a phone number. Type in your mobile number, then follow the on-screen instructions to verify it, usually with a text message code. Once your phone number is verified, your DocuSign account is created, and you'll be able to access the platform and start signing documents securely online.